Today's video is about a Illumalight vibrant LED light bars. Enhance your gaming or TV experience. Now there's a pack of 2 here. I got these from B&M. I nearly said Home Bargains again. The sale price would have been £12. I paid a £5. It was on sale. I'm not sure why it was on sale. The box hasn't been opened. But anyway, I thought I'd just get these. And if I don't use them, I'll give them to one of my grandchildren. My grandson's got a gaming channel, so he'll probably have them for his PC. So let's read out what it's about. It's an RGB. It's got 24 vibrant colours and effects using the remote control. Now, if anybody's seen the last video with whatever what the hell was it called? Oh, here we are. These. If you haven't watched the last video with them, with these things, and you want to know what the hassle it is to set them up, watch that video. But anyway, it's got remote control, it's got easy to install USB connection, it's got dual positioning, horizontal and vertical. So what's it say on the back? It's got a picture of ideal for gaming, not sure why. Enhance your TV viewing experiences. Says the same thing on the back. Stand the LED tower upright on any surface for a taller reflection, or lay it down horizontal for a wider glow. Right, let's see if I can get this open while we're here and break my phone at the same time. Don't know what that's doing there, but there we go. Let's just see if we can get this. So there we are. So we'll open the box. Oh, noise. Crikey, what? Let's put that there for now. What have I got in this box? Okay, first thing I've got is the remote. It's a chunky thing, but probably added to the 7 million remotes I've got there. So I wonder if that should have a battery that comes with it. Yeah, as you can see, if you can see it on there, that little pull tab that takes the battery. Let's have a look. That'll go that way, I think. Let's get this out. Put that down there. So this is it. This is all you've got. Oh, they've got individual USB. So they're not attached together, I'd say, you know. So, you know, I expected them to be maybe one joined to the other kind of thing, but they weren't, if you can see that there. So how much of a length of this have you got? Let's have a look. Let's get this. Excuse the plaster, but a day doesn't go by that if I don't cut myself, nothing's been achieved. And if you mess around with tools and sharp blades and all kinds of stuff, you'll understand what I'm saying. So you've got roughly, I'd say, a meter. Yeah, about a meter's length of cable on it. And what's it say on the back? Don't know if you can see that. Vibrant LED bar, model number, batch number, input 5 volt, 1 amp. So you can take that off if you want. Let's have a look. Ah, you see what you can do. You can take it off if you want it horizontal, like that. See? You can take it off and stick it that way, like that. And if you want it vertical, you can leave it like that. So let's have a look. Have I got a USB? Yes, I have. Look at this. So, and it's got 2 connections. I don't know if it'll power them both, but let's see. There's one. You see that? We're here. And let's get this one off. Let's have a look. Okay, that's that off there. And a little bit light, you know. I suppose maybe some blue tack or something underneath there to keep them in the position they should be. Will that power that side? Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Okay, don't know if you can see that on the camera there. Well, wait a minute. What is that there? Can you see this? What's it say? Subscribe. Thanks, little man. So if we go back here, now, are they flashing for a reason? Let's see what happens now. Are these voice reactive or are they just flashy kind of things? Let's have a look. So let's take this thing out of there. So it's got a green. Oh, there's a thought. Here they are. The instructions. Vibrant 2-bar. Let's have a look. Oh wow, lots of instructions here. Oh, there's a load there, isn't there? I don't know if you can see that. I'll let you take a picture of that if you want to pause it in any which way you want to do it. I'm not reading all that. Half of it's in French, half of it's in English. La la la. Remote control. Adjust the LED brightness on the side there, up and down. Strobe mode, fade mode, smooth mode. Okay, let's go off. Oh, okay, both off. Let's go on. Both come on together, but they both don't go off together. Yeah, they do actually. Both of them come off together as well. So turn them both on. Smooth mode. So can you use these to slow that down? Yeah. Alright. That slows that down, so if you can see that. Do you know, actually, these aren't that bad, are they? If you wanted to put them either side of your TV or your gaming monitor. Or just turn them round so they face the wall like that. Or the side lighting, you know. Kind of thing. That's not bad. I might keep them actually. So we should go with, if we keep on going down, see how far that goes. So we shall go for fade. See what happens there. Oh, look at that. That's quite alright, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? For what it is. It's quite a decent light. Don't forget now I've got lights above there, I've got light up here. And that's still quite bright. So we go to strobe. So you need to speed that up for strobe. Yes, look at that. Do you know what? This is all right, isn't it? Really, let's be fair. You could have your own little party. Will it go any faster? Yes, it will. Look at that. Flash. Whoa. And you can slow that flash down. That's better. Look at this. So you want red, green, blue, orange, bluey green. It says blue again, or purple, whatever that is. Orange. Do you know what? Okay, that one only changed for that one. That one is it. Every now and then you got to press the button twice, but otherwise it's fine. Blue and whatever that is. So if you want smooth again, so you want to slow it down, no, speed it up, that is. So if you want to slow it down so it's just smooth, that works, doesn't it? Do you know what? It's not often I say this, but for something that cost me a £5, it's not bad, to be fair. I mean, if you wanted to, I don't know, lighten up your PC desk or even put them facing the wall by your TV, I suppose you could, really. Let's have a look at fade. This should fade in and out. Oh. So there you go. That is the video for Illumalight vibrant LED bars. I honestly think that, let's have a look, see if I can get a, let me get a thumbnail. There you go, thumbnail. Cheers. See if I've used this, shall we? It says the original price was £12. To be fair, even for £12, I think that's fine, to be honest with you, I really do. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.